your carbon monoxide detector. Number one is humidity, high humidity. For example, if it's located next to a bathroom or in a bathroom and there is steam, high humidity being generated, it will trigger your carbon monoxide detector. Number two is hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is detected like carbon monoxide in the electrochemical sensor. The next, folks, is a malfunction. When these units malfunction, they typically beep. When they require battery replacements, they also chirp. Please check the manual of your model and you will see that, folks. You will see the chirping, the beeping, and different sequences depending on the state of the unit. If there is an error, if it requires new batteries, or if the unit has expired.